Tired of the chaos? Juggling appointments, managing inventory, and trying to market your business all at once? Do you wish there was one platform that could simplify your life and help your business thrive? If you answered yes, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into Vagaro, the all-in-one business management software designed for beauty, wellness, and fitness professionals. Whether you run a salon, spa, barbershop, fitness studio, or even offer mobile services, Vagaro promises to streamline your operations, enhance your customer experience, and ultimately, help you grow. But where do you even begin with a comprehensive platform like Vagaro? Can feel overwhelming, right? That's why this video is your ultimate guide. We're going to break down the entire process of getting started with Vagaro, from the initial sign-up to setting up your services, managing your calendar, and even accepting payments. By the end of this, you'll be confident and ready to unleash the full power of Vagaro for your business. So, let's cut through the noise and get you set up for success. The very first step, naturally, is signing up for Vagaro. You can visit their website or download the Vagaro Pro app on your tablet or smartphone. Vagaro offers a free trial, which is fantastic because it allows you to explore the features and see if it's the right fit for your business without any commitment. During sign-up, you'll provide basic business information, like your business name, contact details, and the type of business you operate. This initial setup is crucial as it lays the foundation for your online presence within Vagaro. Make sure your business name is accurate and your contact information is up to date, as this will be visible to your clients. Once you're signed up, the next critical step is to set up your business profile. Think of this as your digital storefront. This is where clients will get their first impression of your business on the Vagaro marketplace and your dedicated Vagaro listing page. You'll want to add a compelling business description, something that clearly communicates what you offer and what makes your business unique. Don't just list services. Paint a picture of the experience clients can expect. Upload high-quality photos of your space, your team, and your work. Visuals are incredibly powerful in attracting new clients. You can also add your business logo, which helps with branding and professional appearance. Ensure your business hours are accurate, as this directly impacts your online booking availability. Vagaro also allows you to list your business on the Vagaro.com marketplace, Google, and Apple Maps, expanding your reach significantly. Make sure to toggle these options on to maximize your visibility. Now that your digital storefront is looking good, it's time to define what you actually sell. This is where you'll set up your services and classes. Vagaro provides a robust system for this. For services, you'll define the service name, duration, price, and a detailed description. Think about any add-ons or variations you might offer. For example, if you offer a haircut, do you also offer a wash and style? Be as specific as possible. If you teach classes, you'll set up class names, capacities, schedules, and pricing. Vagaro allows for recurring classes, which is a huge time saver. You can also specify which employees perform which services or teach which classes, linking everything seamlessly. This is a good time to consider gap processing time. If you offer services with downtime, like hair coloring, Vagaro can help you optimize your schedule by booking other appointments during those gaps. With your services and classes defined, it's time to populate your calendar. This is the heart of Vagaro's functionality. Vagaro's calendar is incredibly intuitive, allowing you to view multiple employee schedules at once. You can easily drag and drop appointments to reschedule, manage double bookings, and block off personal time like lunch breaks or vacations. When an appointment is booked, rescheduled, or canceled, Vagaro can automatically send notifications to both you and your client via text or email, drastically reducing no-shows and improving communication. Take advantage of features like the waitlist, which automatically notifies clients if a desired slot becomes available, a fantastic way to fill last-minute cancellations and maximize your bookings. You can also set online appointment rules, including lead times for bookings and cancellation policies, ensuring smooth operations. Of course, a business needs to get paid, and Vagaro has you covered with integrated payment processing. You can accept credit cards directly through the platform, process mobile payments, and even handle contactless transactions. Vagaro offers various hardware options like card readers and the Vagaro Pay Desk for a seamless checkout experience. They also provide comprehensive reporting for all your transactions, making bookkeeping a breeze. Beyond basic payments, Vagaro supports selling gift certificates, packages, and memberships, offering additional revenue streams and client loyalty programs. You can even set up deposits and cancellation fees for online appointments, protecting your business from no-shows. Beyond the core functionalities, Vagaro offers a suite of powerful tools to help you grow. Their marketing features are exceptional. You can send automated email and text message campaigns to your clients for promotions, appointment reminders, birthday greetings, and even "we miss you" messages for lapsed clients. The drag-and-drop email editor makes creating professional-looking campaigns incredibly easy. Vagaro also integrates with social media platforms, allowing clients to book directly from your Instagram or Facebook pages. They even have a Get Featured option to boost your visibility on the Vagaro marketplace, attracting new clients in your area. Client management is another area where Vagaro truly shines. Every client gets a detailed profile where you can store contact information, appointment history, preferences, allergies, and even private notes. This allows you to offer highly personalized services, building stronger client relationships. You can upload files, track wellness progress with soap notes, and even manage loyalty programs, all within the client's profile. This centralized database ensures you have all the information you need at your fingertips to provide exceptional service. As you become more comfortable with Vagaro, explore its advanced features. The customizable forms allow you to create digital intake forms, consent forms, and surveys, streamlining your paperwork. Their robust reporting capabilities provide valuable insights into your business performance, from sales and payroll to client retention and appointment trends. You can track inventory, manage employee time cards, and even integrate with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero for seamless financial management. For businesses looking for an even more branded experience, Vagaro offers a website builder and the option to create your own branded mobile app. These add-ons can truly elevate your professional image and client experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.